So you're thinking of replacing the screen in your iPhone, right? Well, you need to make sure, if you go online to buy them, maybe eBay, someone online, that you don't end up with one of these. People will try to sell you a screen with no LCD in them. And the iPhone 4G phones do not come that way. iPhone 4G phones have the screen physically glued into the digitizer. So, if you try to buy one of these, you're going to have a pain in the butt, because you cannot separate the screen, the old screen, from the old digitizer to put into the new digitizer. So this is junk. You can't even use it. Bye.